How to set work profile on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to set the work profile on Android, simply launch the settings application on your device. As you do that, you just need to scroll down to the very end and tap on the Google option available over here. After you tap on Google, it will lead you to Google services where you can just see the option of recommended and all services as two options. So tap on all services and then scroll down to the very end, and here you can see the option of set up your work profile. So tap on set up your work profile, and as you do that, you just need to tap on next option over here. So as tap on next, make sure that you allow the device policy to take pictures and record the video. So while using the app, you can just give that access. And then you just need to scan or enter the code provided by your IT admin. Or you can enter your code manually as well. You just need to scan it and then you'll be able to set up your work profile on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.